See, I'm pumpkin here, guys. One night little pumpkin. Now to pick it, guys. See, tree, I dry up. So I'm going to just pick it and done, you know. And the outside too, so we just pick it and done. Night little pumpkin. Yes, peeps, I see pumpkin here. Nice pumpkin, we bought almost 10 pound, 10 pound them, you know. So, I cut it now, I'm going to say what Gwaan. Yeah, man. Yes, peeps, so see pumpkin there. So you don't know what we're going to use to make the soup, you know. When you buy a pumpkin, but them say the pumpkin is, so I normally use the pumpkin, but I buy, I use this year and make the canned chicken red pea soup. So look out, please, look out, look out, look out. Gwaan, guys, tell you what the canned chicken, you know. So we have canned chicken, Gungo pea soup. So we have a Linseed Market Gungo here, so I come in and see what I'm going to post. So we have the Gungo right here, so I don't know. We make it all purpose, pepper, we roast a noodle, we have basil leaf, we have skeleton thyme, we have coconut, we have pumpkin and yam. So the pumpkin is to make pick, guys. I never use it again because some buy the one I say, some eat the one I buy because I can't get the money. And we have sweet potato. But them here, I do a pudding and on total. So I now put the sweet potato in the soup again. I use it in the pudding. Other ginger, I don't know. Ginger in the pudding and the total is a nice flavor. So I'm going to show you go on now. So go on, guys. So 10 days now since we have it. So it smells so good. It smells like a season up. And all night the salt and pimento and garlic. Yeah. So I'm gonna get the fire started and get it there with it. Smell real strong, so see what I'm gonna feed. Okay, by me to the boat, canned chicken, them say, I'm gonna go.
You like that? You like that feeling? You're a feeling.
So I take out the chicken them peeps and get them scald, you know. Yeah, I know them salt for a while, so you know them well salt. Half an hour full of salt. Today, beat out, it's no piece. Piece salt. Yeah. All this salt. All the salt. So yes, peeps are them here. add chicken, so cut them smaller. Then I rinse them. Look at it. Smell really good. So remember guys, give it a like, comment and tell me what you think about this idea, the corn chicken here, and subscribe, and also watch ads card so I make a revenue. So like, comment, share. Hold on, boy, hey bag. Get the pumpkin start out, babes. Please make a video on TikTok. I'm gonna show you. I know not like it because me like it also, me love it. A video person I show say I show when him a river head, right peeps? First me I see it on beautiful side. So I'm show you now that I'll come back and talk about it.
Why I first never see one river from a band, God no. In real life. First, never see one witness one river, see there? And call it sea ball.
Yes peeps, so you're gonna get the pumpkin cut up. Yes guys, in the video, the person I say name Seaball did some research and I don't see that, so I don't know if it's one Jamaican name to call the river head, but do some research and we don't see that. I don't know where Jamaicans have name for everything, so maybe that's a Jamaican name. They call the river head. So you can leave it in the comments and tell me what you think. This look like some more pumpkin, so I'll get piece more pumpkin from the one I cut or pick. Yeah. And also get the coconut sorted out. Couldn't refuse the sweet potato peas, so don't know. Put a piece nice same way. And the yam. Alright. Alright peeps, so see the pumpkin there, you don't know. See the pumpkin on buy here so, and see the pumpkin here on pick, so two different kind of pumpkin. Yeah, and I don't know the yam and sweet potato peel up. That is it. So I'm gonna show you what I go on now. What I go on there. So I'm gonna get the coconut started out right now. So as soon as I'm done, the chicken can done scald off, and then now we'll strain it and deal with gungo peas soup with Linseed Market gungo peas. See there? In seasoned coconut milk, so no don't know this nice. Linseed Market guys, the brand here are a good brand. for the gungo and the aki. Yeah. And as soon as I put on everything on the show, I just do the pudding. I'm gonna see what I go on. Don't know. We have 2 coconut right here, so 1 for pudding, 1 for toto. Yeah man. So stay tuned guys. I don't have to use 1 coconut because and no soup may boil. So I don't have to use 1. I just use half. Yes peeps, so see the coconut milk here. As you know, well, you don't know, yeah. And the yam and pumpkin is as you know. The chicken done scald off and chop already. So we'll get up on the fire and get some water in the pot. Yeah. So we'll get in the coconut milk and the gungo in the pot now. And the pumpkin, so stay tuned. Sky look away like you're in a farm peeps, so I don't know how to do cooking. So we want to get everything done. Well, the pudding will bake inside now the oven. So not worry about that too tough. So peeps, so when time they start boil up, we add in we gungo and everything. So soon a few minutes there when time start boil up. See sky the people. You want peace, so I try not to get the potato peel up because I don't know the rain. So can't too high you know. Of make use of time. So get the potato peel up. Get the shoe on the road. Now wait. Well this can do inside still you know. I'm say. And oven. This will go. Or else the soup more finish deal with before the rain come. Yes peeps, so I put it to this. Well peel and clean up. You don't know. And see potato boil up now. Ready for food. So we're adding ingredients now. Alright, so we're adding with gungo. As I mentioned before, it's in a seasoned coconut water, so now waste nothing now that you know. Wash out the tin. A rain a dew. Come like hey. I don't want to understand gungo peas. Adding the ingredients for now. One pot of soup. So I do we can go see time when I itch cause the rain. What I do with scaling and thyme. Pepper. with Maggi season. That's supposed to be good. Alright, please, so I'll give this a few minutes to go and do a thing. So next time I swim back, the soup finish. Feel like when I put a piece of my pumpkin in the pot in the peeps. Swear. Yeah man, piece like that, so eat a few more minutes and the soup land. Yeah, my people, so see there? Don't grate now, so I try enough just mix it up. And see soup here. Yeah man, like that. So soup land up peeps, soup land. Yeah man, so drink the soup and then we mix up the sweet potato pudding. Yeah my peeps, so I soup this, you know, the gungo soup, but me never sufficient gungo, you know, cause me never want to cook so much, but I don't know nobody want this, so I feel like do the same way. Yeah man, so we can't chicken pumpkin gungo soup. Yeah man. Alright, so tell me place where I go on, you know. Yeah man. Yeah man. One thing there, you know, me almost start. I'm actually never tasted no guys. Me just adding stuff. I never taste it. So I taste chicken and now for see what I go on. Wow. Um chicken. Um alright, chicken can I boil somewhere. Can I scar some more? You want to get out more salt out of chicken. Yeah man, so you can boil some more. And the chicken texture, you get more harder. Yeah man, you know, soft again, you get more harder. But overall, it's nice. But I'm say it almost too salt because the chicken could have boil some more. I'm gonna put salt tonight. Yeah man. So next time we know say boil chicken longer. Yeah. Or we can taste it and see if you go and boil more. But yeah. Soup itself, mad. So I enjoy this guys. I'm done. I do the pudding and total. So I enjoy this now. So soon to mix up the alright yeah it is. If you make it this far, you make it to the end of the video. Enough respect. For a long time, thank for the support, thank for the continuous support, and if you have come on the channel for the first time, thank for the support same way, you know. Enough respect. And make sure say you subscribe and click the bell, put it on all. Yeah man. And give it a like, a share, and a comment. Yeah, man. This soup, guys, nice. But the chicken, the texture change, right? It get tough. You know, like when they have chicken lang na kub and it get tough. Yeah, man. At the same texture they may get. Yeah, man. So remember, I said before, like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll catch you now. Yes, my peeps, so I put in this.